In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to import raster layer in Google Earth Engine. So let us have a look at the raster image. So you can see this is the raster image. This is the SRTM DEM dataset. So let us proceed to upload this image, and this is the view of this DEM image in the file manager. Now move back to the Google Earth Engine, and here under assets, click on new, and here select GeoTIFF, select it once again, and here in source files click on select in order to browse for the image and select it. So you can browse to the particular folder and select the image. After that, click on open, and here you can see the asset name has been given. You can modify it. So I'm going to rename it as DEM. Likewise, you can customize the name. In advanced options, I'm going to leave it as mean, and masking I'm going to leave it as none. So now click on upload. Let us wait for the upload to be completed. That you can check it in the taskbar section. So you can see here the image has been started to upload. Let us wait for it. So now you can find that the image has been successfully uploaded in less than a minute. Now let us refresh our assets. Once you have refreshed your assets, you can see the file DEM, the raster layer. If you click on it, the details will be shown here. So you can see the location over here and the image overview. You can check on the bands and property of this image. So let me close it. The image, that is the first step. So for loading the DEM asset, you can see here we have to call it. So you can see, let me click on this file, and you can copy the location of this image from here, copy it, and here let us update it over here. So we need to call this image, so that is why I am copying the file path where it is located. Now we have shown where the image is located. The next step is we are going to define the visualization parameter. So this is the second step, defining visualization parameters. Here you can set the minimum and maximum value. So I have just left it to default. If you want to find the minimum and maximum value, you can find it by clicking on this image, and inside bands you can find it, the minimum and maximum value of this raster dataset. So let me close it. Now after that, we are going to give this symbology. So here we are just defining how the image will be shown in different colors. So blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors will be used to visualize the image. So the next code is to center the map and add layer. So here you can see the function for centering the map. We have used this function, and this is nothing but the zoom level 8. And next comes the add layer functions, where we are going to call the image, and we are going to set the visualization parameter, and we can name the image. So this is nothing but the name which we are assigning after adding the image. It will be there over here under layers. So that name is image. So now you can see here, you can see that the variable is image, but we have to show where this is. So the image name is DEM. So I'm going to rename it as DEM. So I'm going to copy it. So I have removed the image because that is not the original name. The original name is DEM. So I have assigned the original name DEM. After that, we are going to assign it over here also for centering the object. I am going to rename it as DEM, and for adding the layers, same thing, I am going to rename it as DEM. So now it is done. Let us run and see. Click on run. So you can see here the image has been successfully loaded. You can have a look at this image. So the name we have assigned image, you can see it. If you want, you can change it to dem. You can change it. You can also edit it, the symbology of this image, by clicking over here. You can work with this. If you want to add some more colors to it, you can add this, use this plus button. If you want to minus any color, you can select and use minus, or if you want, you can use plus accordingly. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to add some more colors, you can click on it, and after that you can give some colors, choose some colors like this. You can do it, apply, import. It will be reflected here. So I hope that you have learned how to import raster layer in Google Earth Engine. Here also you can change the color name. You can do it accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. Please do subscribe. Goodbye everyone.